Hey everyone, today I am going to tell you how you can enable Google camera in your Xiaomi MiA1 device. So as you can see, this is the Google camera which I had installed in my Xiaomi MiA1 device, and we are getting a front shot of the dual camera. So for that you should be updated with the latest audio update in your device. So I am updated with the audio 8.0. So not in order to do that, you need some of the files which I will give the link in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the application which I will need to flash all the files. This is Magix Manager. Just click on the install and click on direct install method. After that, the zip file will start downloading, and just wait for a moment until that file gets installed properly on this, and after that it will automatically flash on my device. So it is downloading now, so just to wait for a moment. Okay, so now it has downloaded and it started flashing on my device, and just to wait for the moment, and after the device this application gets flashed, then I have to reboot my device. So it is flashing as you can see on the screen, so just wait until it flashes properly. Okay, now we have to reboot it. So after rebooting, you have to open the application again and just click on the menu icon, click on the modules and click on the plus button. You have to now flash two of the files. One is Magix permissive, you can see on the screen. Let me scroll. Okay, here you can see the Magix permission. You have to just click on this and it will start flashing again. Now click on close, and you have to add one more file, which is the GC, which is the camera to API mode API. Okay, so it is already flashed. Now I have to reboot my device. After rebooting my device, I will open the GC camera application. This is the Google camera application. This is the mod version. Just open this and now click on the settings and go to config camera HDR, select to Nexus 6 auto, and after selecting this, click on model number, just select Nexus 6P and then click on cancel. You can adjust the resolution. You can see here the video stabilization is enabled, so your video will be stabilized. You can also configure front camera resolution, back camera resolution. You can set to 4K mode, and lots of configuration you can done on this. After that, you can also change some of the settings which you can see here. So just open the camera, and now you can see I am taking the picture from the front camera. So this is the picture, and you can see the effect of portrait mode with the help of Google camera. So this is the method by which you can take the portrait shot with the help of Google camera, which is the mod version in your Xiaomi MiA1 device. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, then comment on this video, and please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.